Hello. Today we are playing this game. Oh, Airplane Story 1. And yeah, I've started a bit late because, yeah, none of my friends are with me this time. So, uh huh. So, yeah. What the? Why in the world? My mouth is stuck. My mouse is stuck. Hold on. There we go. Hmm. Thank you for your cooperation. Yeah, that's what it says. Get ready as our crew prepare a snack for Oh, I want a snack. I want a snack. What in the world? I want a snack. Where's my snack? Pass me my snack. Oh, it's these sandwiches. The cursed sandwiches. I'm not eating this sandwiches. Because in case I'm allergic to anything. Gonna try. Can try blocking them. Are they identical twins? They're identical twins. Am I the only person? I literally actually didn't eat the sandwich. I didn't eat the sandwich. What are these people talking about? Quickly, we need to find Yellow King underscore gaming baggage for medicine. Look at the baggage shorts of you. Watch! Look, what are you doing, huh? Not helping. I can't click on these. No one's in here. I only click on these ones. Wouldn't it be above my seat? That makes sense. Knew it! I actually knew it! I found it. That was a close one. No, it wasn't. We had like a minute. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. Out, out, altitude. Altitude. I swear I saw someone just glitch. Now what? Well, this is quite boring. When are we gonna get dinner? Or lunch or whatever? Good night, passengers. We didn't get lunch. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Stretching my legs, stretching my legs. That, does that say bacon? Does it say bacon right there? Are you talking about me? Or are you saying you're a bacon? Talking about me? Are you saying I'm a bacon? I'm bacon? Person saying I'm bacon. Where'd he go? He's trying to escape me now. See? Things ain't bacon. No. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Oh. Oh, hello. That's nice. You will not survive. Is that a bad thing or a good thing? I swear I just saw two of them. How in the world? Frick, running, running. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm chilling. I'm actually chilling. I'm big brain, cause look. Look. See, you know. Hey. See, none of the snakes are gonna come here. Guys, there was an open rest. Don't first it. Wow, everyone's gonna die. Okay, someone's not gonna die. No, come on, that bacon guy. So I think everyone. No, One more person. He's gonna die. Wow. Wait. That's that was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Not this. Blah blah. Blah blah blah. Oh, why can't I say blah? Should I? Sure. New friend. Bacon guy. He's a bacon. So, like, and everyone loves bacon. Huh. People in the server speak a different language. I don't know what language that is. And the snakes are gone. Where'd the snakes go? Can you see anything outside? Your attention passengers. I have good news and bad news. I want the bad news first. Bad news first. Bad news first. Uh-huh. Yeah? Good news, then what's the bad news? What bad news is that we're floating? Oh, well that isn't so bad. Where? Did I get it? Is it on? Where's mine? I don't even have one. What? Now is it on? Yeah, it's on now. That looks that looks so weird. I'm just not gonna look at my face. How do you even die? Oh my god, someone here is an assassin. Wait, did he just reset? Did he just reset thinking that because he didn't went down on his face? No way. No way. Is he that dumb? Oh, okay. What just happened? Oh, we won't. Oh my god, what is this? I have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about. Ratasaur... Kadama... Bacon! 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 I have a bomb. I have a bomb on my, I found scissors. Which cable should I cut? Blue. I will cut the blue cable. Yay! Where'd it go? Should have blown up the plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hmm. Hmm. What does that say? That says Pepsi? Why do you have... Wait. What does that say? What does that like little tag say? What's that little tag? I found them. They are... Who are we looking for? Nah, Captain's dead as well. 9027, 9027, 9027. 9027, 9027, 9027. I have the code. I'm gonna type it in chat. 9027. Yes, exactly. 9027. 9027, 9027, 9027. For what I have to press, I found the code. What the hell? How did he just go through? Um, I'm gonna quickly, wait, I don't know how to, like, okay, cause it's like, I've got a bad feeling about this guy. So I kinda have to. He looks like a little challenger. Okay, wait, do I have to click on the code? Why does this guy follow me if I get... Okay. 9027. I found it actually, you were just following. I just... Yay, we're through. Okay, let us through. No! It's the creature. Nah. Not never knew. You will pay for what you've done. What have I done? May I ask? You think you are here on accident? Yes, I kind of. But you're not. I actually paid. No, I paid for all my tickets. So actually, yeah, that's not possible because I paid for my tickets. Yeah, he's even oh, it is, and now it's time to die. No, no thanks. I disagree with you. Run. He's just saying run. See you in the afterlife. So you're gonna kill yourself as well. Cause, like, unless... I don't know. Where'd he go? The captain is unconscious. No. No, wait. I disagree with you. I remember it's somebody over here. Hold on. There's like a button and it's like auto flight. Yeah, autopilot. I swear last time I played it, it was a button over here. Click everything and fly. Wouldn't that also... What if there was a self-destruct button? Like, just saying. I think I found it because it... Oh. But someone left. Oh, thank God. Okay, this guy's good. Wait, there's a co-pilot. Like, I bet a pig could definitely fly the plane, especially Bacon. Did he just fall? No. Oh, I thought Bacon just fell. Died. It has been a very crazy... No. No, it hasn't. Click, 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 click. Wouldn't one of those buttons be like a self-destruct button? Wait, haven't I said that already? Found the emergency Wait, wasn't it here? No, it's on the other side. I want to be there first. This guy's actually so mean. Hello. We need help. Yes, we do. Our captain is unconscious. Wasn't exactly. No, two people died. One just died on the plane and another just got locked out with the snakes. How? How? Already, how? That good thing or bad thing? Taking control. There is one last time. Yes, someone needs to keep the plane on track. Bags me. Bags. Bags. Go, go, go. Go. I'm gonna get there first. I don't care about the medkit. I don't need it. Yes! I'm good. I'm a pilot. See? I proved that a pig can be a pilot. I know, right? Oh, I thought that was me. So, should I jump out now? Frick, I can't jump out. Frick, Bacon died. You human, aren't you? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Last chance, Yellow King underscore gaming. For what? Crash the plane. Crash the plane. Crash the plane. Crash the plane. Yay! Foolish humans. All this time you trusted Yellow King underscore game. I know, right? These people are so dumb for trusting a pig. And a robot. Yes, master. Well, I don't want him to be my master. I thought I was the ruler. I want to disagree now. This guy's disobeying my orders. Oh, we died. Nice. Yes, victory. It was a victory. It was a nice victory. Okay, thank you for listening. Subscribe.